Hey guys, Brad from SimpleGuitar.com here, and today we're gonna do another practice along finger exercise. Now these are called chord flips. So this is another practice along video, so don't just watch this. Make sure you grab your guitar and pick it up and you do the work with me. If you do that, by the end of this video, you're gonna have more control over your fingers, and this is really going to help with your chord changes. This is gonna give you better, faster, smoother chord changes. So pick up your guitar and let's dive in. So for the starting position for this exercise, you're gonna do one finger per fret with your fingers on 5, 6, 7, and 8, but all your fingers have to be on different strings. So your first finger's on the 5th fret of your 6th string, your second finger's on the 6th fret of your 5th string, your third finger's on the 7th fret of your 4th string, and your pinky is on the 8th fret of your 3rd string. So all 4 fingers are on different strings, and it sounds terrible if you strum it, but the goal for this is not for it to sound good, okay? And what we're going to do for the exercise for 1 minute is we're going to flip this chord that we're making with our 4 fingers. So all 4 fingers are down, and then you're going to flip and reverse it. So now my pinky is on the 6th string, my first finger's on the 3rd string, my third finger's on the 5th string, and my second finger's on the 4th string. And then we're just gonna go back and forth between those positions. And so that's flipping the chord. Now we're gonna do this on 3 sets of strings. So we're gonna start with your 6th, 5th, 4th, and 3rd strings, doing that right there. Now, if this is too low on 5, 6, 7, 8, if that is too hard for you, slide your fingers up to 9, 10, 11, and 12 and try it there. So let's do this for 1 minute. Ready, set, go. Now, make sure that you're just going through and you're getting all your fingers. You want to move them as much as you can as one unit. So you want to get all 4 fingers down as quickly as you can. You're gonna find probably the hardest part is getting your pinky down to your 6th string in time. Now I'm going kind of fast. If you need to go slower for this, that's okay. Also, if you want to, you can get out a metronome. And I would recommend setting that to start at like 40 beats per minute. Maybe even slower if that's too hard for you. But the idea with all of this, like I've said before, is getting used to moving all 4 of your fingers in conjunction with one another into an unfamiliar position. And we're just doing it for 1 minute, so keep it going. And there we go. So we're gonna do strings 5, 4, 3, and 2 now. So now my first finger's on my 5th string, second finger on the 4th string, third finger on the 3rd string, and my 4th finger on the 2nd string. So let's do that for 1 minute. Ready, set, go. Remember, try to move all of them at once and go as slow as you need to get this slow, because you want to be able to do all 4 fingers at once if possible. As much as you can, you want to avoid going 1 finger at a time. If you can do this with trying to get all 4 of your fingers down at once, that's gonna be a lot better for you. So make sure that you're working on that and make sure that you're building up that ability, because this is really going to help, especially when you're doing like later bar chords and you're practicing like C shape or G shape bar chords. This kind of thing is really gonna help, because that's getting your 3rd and 4th fingers used to the kind of position that they're gonna be in for those types of chords. And that's 1 minute right there. So let's do this one more time, but now we're gonna do strings 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you're gonna start with your first finger on the 4th string, second finger on the 3rd string, third finger on the 2nd string, and your pinky on the 1st string. Then you're going to flip it and reverse it. So 1 minute, strings 1, 2, 3, and 4. You ready, set, go. So now that this is your 3rd time doing this, 3rd set of strings, you're gonna start feeling it a little bit more, but hopefully by the time we are done with this, you're gonna feel a little bit more confident with all 4 fingers, and this is going to help impact your chord changes. So this should make changing chords a lot faster. And it's the thing like this, taking just a few minutes to work on an exercise like this as a good warm-up is a good way for you to get some effective reps in that then go and affect the rest of your practice and everything else that you're playing, okay? So the trick with this is by doing this for a few minutes, it's gonna save you a lot of time and struggle learning songs and different things like that. So keep it going, we're almost there. This is your 3rd minute, we're almost done, here we go. Good job, that was 3 minutes. Great finger warm up. Now you can come back to this video. You can do these exercises with me every single day this week. Now, if you did find this helpful, I'm gonna be doing some more training series videos like this where we're gonna be doing the work together. And if you have a specific exercise that you love or you think you would like to see in this series, let me know down in the comments as well. But if this was helpful for you, then I also have another gift for you. Go to my website at simpleguitar.com/top10. And there you can pick up my free guide, the top 10 things to learn on guitar first. This is 10 things I like to teach people that get them a lot of bang for their buck right off the bat when it comes to playing guitar. So go pick up that guide for free, have fun with it. Remember, come back and do this exercise regularly. But if you want another great exercise that you can do with your fingers, here's another warm up that you can do where we're doing finger push-ups and you get to work out those fingers individually instead of all together like we did today. So thanks for watching. Go get the top 10 things to learn on guitar first, and I will see you in the next video.